Happy day everyone, this is the short trick video from the morphology of flowering plants. This is the part 2 video. In the first video we discussed about the short tricks for region of fruit, what are the types of fruit and examples also, and also we saw about the modification of root as well as stem. I hope those short tricks are clear. Now we will discuss about the further things from this chapter. Now we are going to see the example for phyllotaxy. If you want in detail what is this phyllotaxy, symmetry and everything, I have already given the video for the full chapter. You can see it in the playlist, so it will be very clear for you before learning the short trick. Okay. The first short trick will be alternate MSc. If I am not going for a job after BSc, then I am going to do MSc. This is the alternate option. So alternate MSc. Alternate for alternate phyllotaxy. M is for mustard, S sunflower and C for China rose. Okay. Alternate mustard, sunflower, China rose. Alternate MSc. The next one will be general organic chemistry. All of your favorite subject, I hope. So this is for the Goa opposite calotropis. Opposite phyllotoxy is shown by Goa and calotropis. The next one will be so the reaction when you see something cute, okay, that is used as a short trick here. Alstonia, and it is seen just a minute. It is show the world phyllotaxy. So there are three types of phyllotaxy we discussed: alternate, opposite and world, and the examples for the same. Now we will talk about the symmetry. In symmetry, firstly we will see what is the name, like the scientific name. When it is showing radial, it is called as acetinomorphic. So radial, R stands for radial, A for acetinomorphic. The next one will be bazar. Whenever it is in bilateral, the name will be zygomorphic. Okay, radial, acetinomorphic, B is for bilateral and that is for zygomorphic. Now we will see the respective examples. McDonald's, your favorite food spot. The McDonald's is the example for the acetinomorphic or radial symmetry, which is given by mustard, chili and datura. These are the examples for the radial symmetry. And the next one will be busy PG students. When you go to PG, you all will become very busy. So it is busy PG students. B is for bean, C is for cassia, P is for pea and G is for gulmohar. Okay, these are the examples for bilateral or zygomorphic symmetry. The next one will be class. Class is shown here. C is for cana and A is for asymmetric. That's it. It is very simple. Okay, now we talked about symmetry. The next one will be based on the position of calyx, corolla and andrium in respect of the ovary, we have these much of division, which is hypokynous, perikynous or epikynous. For the hypokynous, we have in sentence, he buys munch. He is for hypokynous, buy. B is for brinjal. In munch, M stands for mustard and C is for China rose. He buys munch. This is for hypokynous ovary. Now, the next one will be rose people. Rose people. A rose is for rose. Here P is for peach, E is for peri. Even P stands for PE is for peri and another P is for plum. Rose, one P is for peach, P is for peri and another P is for plum. Here the perikynous, these are the example. The next one will be epikynous. For that the example will be epic gun. Okay, epic gun. Epic is for epikynous, C is for cucumber, G is for guava. These are the examples for these three types. The next one we will talk about the aestivation. The aestivation, again we have four types. The first one will be valvate. The valvate, the example is given by cave. C is for calotropis, D is for valvate. Okay, valvate is given by cave. The short trick will be cave and the example is calotropis. Next one will be China had is just for sentence, two lady cop. Okay, China had two lady cop. China is for China rose. 2 is for twisted. This is the twisted aestivation and lady is for lady's finger, cop is for cotton. This is the example for twisted aestivation. The next one will be magic, which is for the imbricate aestivation. Here G is for gulmohar, I is for imbricate aestivation, C is for cassia. The next one will be very high BP. Very is for Vexillary aestivation. This is the last type of aestivation and the B is for bean flower, P is for P. Very high aestivation. Now at last we will talk about the androecium. The first example will be monocot. So monoaldiphous androecium is shown in China rose. So monocot. Next one will be DP. The famous thing in WhatsApp. It is given for dialdiphous and the example will be P. Next one will be PC. You are keeping DP in your PC. Think like that. So the third example will be PC and it is for polyaldiphous and the example will be citrus. So in this video we discuss the short tricks for phyllotaxy, symmetry, and about the position of ovary, aestivation, and androecium. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. And if you want short tricks for any other chapters, that also ping in the comments so I can make the video for that. Bye bye.